Hi, this is Dr. Bruno. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the high success rate with Brazilian buttock lift. According to RealsHealth.com, about 93% of patients are satisfied with this procedure, which is one of the higher satisfaction ratings amongst cosmetic procedures. Why is the success rate so high, or the satisfaction rate? I think mostly because patients anatomically start out with a very different types of shapes, square shapes, V shapes, A shapes, and once you transform them into a rounder shape, whether you give them the volume they want is another question, but if you can transform someone's shape, they'll be generally satisfied with the surgery. The size of the buttock has a lot to do with how much fat they have in their body. If a patient doesn't have that much donor fat, or if they're on the thin end of the spectrum, they're not going to have the volume that they want. So oftentimes if you have to gain a few pounds before surgery, it's to the patient's advantage, and they can be satisfied both with the shape and with their size. Another reason patients are satisfied with the Brazilian buttock lift is that they're getting liposuction of areas of their body that they aren't happy with. Typically their abdomen or their thighs or their lower back or their love handles. So by reducing the fat from those areas where they don't want the fat and redistributing it to the areas where they do want the fat, their buttock and their hip areas primarily, patients are pretty satisfied. I'd say the number one reason people are not satisfied, which is a small percentage of the times, is for the volume. So if you're looking for more volume and size, then I would suggest having extra fat on your body or even gaining a little bit of weight beforehand. That's all I wanted to say today about Brazilian buttock lift. I think it's a very rewarding procedure for patients, and it does enjoy a satisfaction rate that is quite high. But if you have any questions about this or any other surgeries, you can give us a call or visit our website for more information.